I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're fine. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video, I am going to be doing a cleaning motivation that is for the bathroom. So right now, I am in the master bedroom. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope this also motivates someone or motivate you guys also. Get out and do some cleaning, and I am just going to get right into it. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate any support I get from you guys, and thank you very much. So I am going to be showing you how it looks now. Right now, hi. So this is just the toilet. This is how it looks. So dirty, towels everywhere here, and I have the caddy down there. The bin is filled with the pampers that I need to dispose, though I usually put them, I wouldn't leave them like that. I put them in a nappy bag before throwing it in the bin so it doesn't smell out really. I dispose it almost every day, but I've not been able to do it for 2 days. I'm going to be doing all that now. And this is just the shower, and here is the this is the shower hanger I got from made.com. I love it because I could actually put my stuff, and this is my daughter's cap hat, shower hat and sponge. I'm going to take it back to the bathroom right now. She brought it here because she just felt like she's also supposed to be using it here. And this is also my shampoo and my conditioner, and here also is a bowl and the baby bath I usually use. It's always in the family bathroom, but I just left that for now. So I am going to just be going ahead and clean it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, I forgot, this is also the vanity for the wall I got from the bathroom. This was actually from IKEA, and I had gotten it for, was it for 40-50 pounds. It's really nice. I needed someone to help me put on the wall because you can see I cannot actually open it unless it's not touching here. So I need to have that sorted maybe soon. I get someone to help me with it, and that's just it. And we're just going to get right to cleaning.
If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside. Cause you can make it too, if not says who. Yeah, you can make it too, if not says who. You can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now, and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Can we stay forever?
I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise.